I think did it just pop Lyra? Yes, it did. So that's an entry on Lyra. Whoa, what a huge pop. What did I say? That a pop over 519 is going to return it to like in the 540s. And there it was. Did anybody get it? You know, that's what we're trading. Wow, I am so dark in this video screen on this other system here. Hang on. I got to get the exposure way up on this. Exposure, auto, no. There we go. Bit better. Oh, why so low? Okay, but I need more contrast. More settings, contrast. Whoa. Doesn't look good. Thank goodness. Getting this tweaked just right is going to be very contrast. Oh my god. All right, we'll have to run with it. That just looks terrible. Okay, going live on TikTok too now. Fuck it. Fuck it, we're going live. What is that? Casey Kasem. Do you remember those tapes? Oh my god, that was hilarious. Fuck it, roll it. We'll do it. That's how I feel right now. Go look up Casey Kasem outtakes or bloopers or something. Oh no, who was it? It wasn't Casey Kasem. It was it was one of those news broadcaster dudes. Get his name. I can see him. Old guy. Gray hair. All right, let's see. Mitigating against my entry on Lyra because it popped and it's pulled back, and I'm in, and I'm just took off 20% there. Get a closer look on Lyra. Oh, did it not go live? Oh, there it is. Okay, it's live. Lyra. So, if you understood what I said about how we select criteria, be the one who says yes. I'm talking about the whole thing. If you really comprehensively understood it, let's see how many of you understood that. And then beyond that, so say yes. Yeah, Bill O'Reilly, that's the one. Yeah. Fuck it, let's do it. Just do it. Yeah. If you understood that criteria, screening factors, say yes. And then let's see what we get there. Understood it, say yes. Yeah, we got, yes, one got it. Yes, we got two. Two of you understood it. It's got to be more than that. And then the other thing is then, okay, Mike says yes. Good. Marcus, yes. Good. So, you should be able to repeat that for yourselves as well now. And then if I ever ask again, I expect the yesers to be able to comprehensively relist what it is that is the criteria. The green screen or whatever on here is really terrible on the TikTok. Wow. I mean, it just looks really weird. Oh my goodness. take the green screen off. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's just way too bright now. Okay, that's half of it, is that I don't have a light on my face. Solve that for tomorrow. Perfect. Now, for a green screen with no backdrop, I'd say it's pretty good. Good. Okay. Understood it. I didn't even hear it. Yeah, that was just a few. AVTX is moving, guys. AVTX. Whoa, AVTX is moving. That was our second hot stock this morning. A break over 12 cents would have been an entry there. It's now at 14 cents or something like 15% higher now. 17% higher. AVTX. Whoa, what happened to the Neon Command Center? Oh, well, what? How long have you been here? How long has it been since you've been here? That was months ago, and that will be coming back. I just have to get some cool lighting going. One thing at a time. It's here. It's set up. In fact, interesting. Yeah. I think I need to adjust this video brightness. Let's see. Quite literally just affects my face. Right there seems to be the sweet spot. Okay. I'm de-risking a little more on Lyra, but yeah, AVTX flying. Just returned, arrived. Good morning. Hello, Gregory. Been away for quite a long time. All right, welcome back. All right, we're watching Lyra, not even a festive lava lamp, right? No, and I think I probably won't be doing the lava lamp, but I'll do something else. There'll be some cool shit going on here. One step at a time. Because I've just moved into my new place. Well, in the last 3 months. On an island in the Caribbean. A disco ball would be really cool, yeah. I mean, watch this. Okay, Google, change Evan's lights to green. There now, everything in here is green. I mean, it's supposed to be green, but it looks kind of red. But you can see kind of a green glow behind my library units. All right, Google, change Evan's lights to white. Come on. Okay, Google, change Evan's lights to white. The suspense is killing everyone. All right, we've got 6 minutes before the market opens. Let's do a quick market recap while we're watching everything. I mean, market analysis. Market outlook. All right, we are opening below yesterday's open and close, inside yesterday's tail of the bottoming tail candle. And we have CPI numbers coming tomorrow and PPI numbers coming Thursday, and then we have a Fed decision next week. So I still think we're not going to see very much action, and the volume's going to be below average as it's been for the last few days after the little sell-off and the peak. Volume's been low. And that's about all you can say about the direction on the market, other than the fact that I believe we still are needing to go down more since we already sold off and peaked out earlier. It's sort of like, what's the point of coming back up here on low volume? But it could be that we're just waiting it out until the Fed decision. Probably right before the Fed decision, the market's going to be all panicked and low, and doomsdayers out there, and it's going to be wonderful low prices to scoop everything up at. Anyway, so for the day today, expect low volume, kind of doji-ish day. Nothing crazy, no big moves, up or down either way. Certainly rotation into defensives might happen, so pull out of growth and into gold and into defensives like consumer staples. All right. AVTX just popped a new high in pre-market. We got 4 minutes until the market opens. The Apple event today, that's true. What time is that at? Is it in the evening? Is it in the afternoon? Is it in after hours? Is it, is May send the market in either direction for short? When is that? In the morning? Somebody remind me. Yeah. Change Evans lights to 2700 Kelvin. 27. Bobby, who is this? Borby Goimos. Hopefully you're impressed. I knew that was Kelvin and not K. 10 a.m. Pacific time. So that's 1 a.m. Eastern time. 1 p.m. fucking market time. 1 p.m. market time. All right, cool. 10 a.m. Pacific. All right. People aren't even awake yet in California. It's ridiculous. All right. We've already made, $250,000. And California is like, I love my pillow. It's a productive state. 2700K is warm light. Yes, it is. Does it work by voice? Yes, it does. But I don't want warm light. I want cold light. Was that 5400 or something? I don't know that it will actually be able to do that. Okay, Google, change Evans lights to 5700 Kelvin. No, never mind. No, it doesn't do it. You can say hot or cold though. Cool. Okay, Google, change Evans lights to cool white. I guess that is cool white. Problem is the walls in here are yellow. And the light, what do they call them? Lampshades are also yellow, so that's no good. Got a pretty hard push down on Lyra, so that breakout's not happening. And I got all out. All right, we got 1 minute and 40 seconds before the market opens. And we're still in uranium trade. And we got a bunch of pot stocks. Which I need to move to the right group right now. That's what I'm doing. So Lyra, if it breaks 540, will be a trade. Or the 1 minute breakout. With a risk to stop at 445. So it's about $1 of risk. On Lyra. And over on AVTX, that's looking pretty bullish. Your stop would be 10 cents, about 5 cents of risk on AVTX. All right, here it goes. 10 seconds. To start day trading, message me, Mohammed. UEC for your. That's the ticker we're after. Okay, watch AVTX. Potential breakout coming. AVTX. Coming. It's coming. There it is. Okay, I'm going to get in already. It's right on the cusp of happening. What's happening? All right, and over on Lyra, is it happening on Lyra? First minute of trading has commenced. As of 3, 2, 1, boom, 1 minute range is established. Not happening on Lyra. The trade is on AVTX, and it looks like it might get into a halt. I'm going to go ahead and take 5% off. There we go, right here at the tippy top. Mahmoud, what is the uranium ticket? UEC. Mahmoud, send me a private message, but do it through my Discord. So click the link in my bio. Send me a private message, or I'll never get it on TikTok. All right, big pullback so far after the breakout on AVTX, but still looking like a pretty good stock. Pretty bullish. What is this? No, Agile, Ethereum, TRX, Churn, SPRB, WRK, Mara. No. Okay. All right, good. We're still good. We're still on top of all of the hot stocks of the day. AVTX at the top of the catalyst list. Lyra and AVTX top of the list. Next qualifier doesn't even qualify. That's it. We're on top of the opportunities today. It's Lyra and AVTX. And the market is, just holding right at the open. Now, what I want to try to remember to do is to keep an eye on the 2x ATR trades. Those will be coming up in the first half an hour of the market. So what that is over the first bit of the market here, we'll have some stocks that from the open have moved more than 2 times their normal daily move. That's extraordinary. Okay, here we go. Here's some more strength on AVTX. I'm taking another 5% right there. And then once they've made that big of a move, if they come back to 30 to 50% of pullback, then they trigger on our list as a watch to pay attention to. All right, who's in AVTX with me? All right. Oh, RJ, there you are. Sometimes I'm not sure if you're in here because your name is at the bottom of the list. And rightly so. Everybody needs a chance. You always hog up all the time, right? That's what everybody's thinking. RJ's a trader just like you guys. It took, just time. You may, what is it? You may respect RJ's, RJ, may respect RJ and where he is as a trader at this point. Look up to him kind of thing. I don't fully remember, at where he was when he first landed in here, but yeah, I can tell you it's it was 90% not what it is now. He's really become what you want to become, which is just a person with experience and tools in the tool belt. Where are we expecting AVTX to go today? If we hit, okay, we are at ADR, hitting the ADR top right now, which is 16. So anything beyond that now, definitely should be scalped. And Lyra, just nothing happening there. The market with a little bit of green action. I think it's cutting off my head because of this, because of the headphones. If I take off my headphones, does it look a lot better on TikTok? Let me see. Not really. It really is aggressive with the green screening. All right, we got one dude in here that says sell SPY short at 447.8. Yeah. I don't think there's really much trade opportunity today. It's going to be a low volume day. Pretty strong pullback after breakout on AVTX. Will it attract buyers before breaking pivot? I would worry about the pivot at 1370. If it can hold that, good. If it can't, I'll probably end up getting all out. Or I'm going to get heavily out. Okay, we're almost right there now. All right, we're right there now. So let's see. It might be halting. And so that's Lyra didn't trigger. I made money on Lyra in pre-market. And then AVTX, not really happening. And it looks like I'm all out of AVTX. Boom, all out of AVTX, although it was getting bought up right at that moment. It's a little bit of bounce right there. But basically I broke even. So nothing bad there with AVTX. Could still even happen today, but a big pullback like that's probably going to cause it to base out. Lyra, on the other hand, it's got the 1 minute top range there. And you could be watching that now. You could be watching that all day, waiting for it to break 530, 528, right around there, and then eventually 537. The 530s on Lyra, if it ever gets back up and around to it, that could trigger a run to break 640 to break the pre-market high. And then over on AVTX, it's a bit scraggly. It's going to need to calm down. I'm happy to be out basically with no impact. All right, so now we wait, see if anything comes up on the 2x ATR scan. I'll take a quick look at anything that's giving reclaim signals, such as ELF, any hot stocks getting reclaim signals. Yeah. Yeah, that's good on ELF. I'm going to get some. Nice reclaim. 134 stop. It's at almost 36. $2 a risk approximately. All right. Somehow, because of this risk level, this is causing a very large position. So that's all I'm going to be able to buy today, probably. All right, I'm in ELF on that reclaim. And then let's keep going down that list. Mod was another one that I know has been doing really good lately, and it just signaled on the list. We start with things that are near their 52-week high. Modine Manufacturing Company. I mean, it looks good. We need the market, to blow in our direction for these things to trigger. NVIDIA just showed up as a trigger. Let's see. As a reclaim. I mean, it's a reclaim at the 50 moving average, which has proven to be an excellent spot to get in. So that's potential entry on NVIDIA for reclaim type of entry. I don't have the room for it. AEHR. And what about the cannabis stocks? Let's see. I mean, some are up, some are down. CGC's pulled back 50% on our gains. What do I think of U for a long? Probably. Is that Unity? But it depends on, what do you mean? Like as an investment, as a short swing trade? Actually, CGC is doing good. It's moving up. So as much as we're down 50% on our gains, retrace 50% on our gains, it's actually making progress. So we're doing good on CGC. Down to 40% on our gains. NVIDIA, ELF, Mod, IE, RIG. Let me take a quick look at Unity for this fella. Yeah, the problem is, it's probably good as an investment, but not necessarily good for fast money. And you'd be basically banking on that this is the bottom of its business, and then over the next few years, you're going to be able to reap a huge percent gain out of it. But still, as an investment, it would only be a small, diversified part of your portfolio. So, it's not that big of a deal, but looks to be a good stock, And it's been having growth on all its fundamentals. Okay, back to IE. Yeah, CGC is like fully reclaiming. It's doing fine. IE, no. RIG. Still nothing on the 2x ATR scan. It can take a while for something to get that far and then for it to pull back. When it does, it's going to show up right here. You guys always be looking at that. RJ, that was a mess before I found Evan in the group. But how much experience did you have? How much time had you been, on and off playing the markets? Why is it adjusting the brightness? Oh, the TV behind me is what's causing that. Okay. I got to lower the contrast on the TV. That'll do it. So there's a daily tweaks I have to do here. ACMR. RIG is a no-go. ACMR. A little over a year and 2 blown up accounts. Yeah. Probably bigger ones than you eventually learn to be careful with. I mean, I lost huge amounts. I lost the most money I ever lost at the beginning of my career. Oil is spiking right now. I don't know what's happening. But oil is spiking. What was that? Filled orders. Oh, I guess I had some ACB price targets set, and ACP is up good. Yeah, we're up 20% on ACB. We're up 21% on ACB. So actually 22%. I guess keeps going. Oh yeah. How'd you like to be in that move? Well, yeah. Just got to pay attention to what's got a huge RVOL. ACB is flying. We're at 23% on ACB. $25%. All right, I'm going to take out a little bit here on this strength. And I imagine we're going to get some sympathetic movements across the whole board now. Let's check out Sundial. Yep, new highs on Sundial. Cron. Is that related? Yeah. I guess the news is that there's easing restrictions. Seems to be the news. Hey, every dog has its day, says RJ. Yeah, this whole cannabis move, once it's over, take all your profits. Can just tell you that from experience. The cannabis moves short-lived. Be aggressive with your profit taking. Okay, that reminds me. Let me take some off of Sundial. Speak of the devil. CGC, Cannabis Growth Corporation. Yeah, I'll take some out at 179. CGC. Setting a limit order for 179. Almost there, so it'll probably pop. Just let it sit. Still no 2x ATR trades yet. There it was. It just filled that order. LTRX. This is another trade we're in that's down at the moment. Okay, it's sort of moving up. LTRX, Cron, Burr. All these are good. Uranium is up more. Wrecker. You guys over on TikTok or wherever you are, if you want to send me a private message, I'm happy to answer, but you need to come over to the Discord. You need to click the link to the Discord or whatever it is, the trading group, whatever the link is. You need to click that and send me a message on Discord. That's going to be where I'll be able to answer your questions and help you out. Wrecker. I have 25 years, roughly, experience in the markets. happy to tell you what I think. Wrecker, fine, good, okay. THTX, fine. Everything looking all right. Cool. I still got no signal on the 2x ATR list, and it's 20 minutes after the market. There must be something out there. What I might do, I was just thinking what I might do is make it show all the stocks that have hit 2x ATR from the open. So it would show all those. And then have a column that will highlight sort of green and maybe even sorted by green as to when it's in this sweet spot. That might be cool. So anyway, that's it for now. Let's go back into the group. Everybody out there, let's move into the group. Okay. And continue over there. We'll talk in the hot stock section and group positions and member chat areas. Good morning, everybody. I hope you have a good day. See you in the group. All right. Post a list. Okay, we'll do that right away. Thank you. You can remind me that each day and I'll do it. Okay, posting it now.